Guys, we have this Range Rover and we're gonna start tinting. So we're gonna lower the window down, tape it up. You see the felt edges fall into your film. So you get to the basically top here. It's better to put it in deeper. We have taped off our edges. Spray down, get the meter, measure. There you go. Let's check which line. So you basically twist between your teeth and it comes off, and you can see the clear line in here, this side. Now we have the straight edge because we have the film straight edge there. So we're gonna go slightly like in the middle, I would say, somewhere. You see the rubber gasket or rubber seal? Just go somewhere in the middle, roughly, more or less. So what you do is you mark. You could do it with a knife, and people do it with a knife, poke it in, and well, I prefer to do it with a ruler and the marker. So slightly push it over this side. Boom. We're gonna tag it down, tag it down. So we're gonna cut the top edge basically. So we need to lift the film up, lower it. Sorry, very windy outside today. Feels like my roof gonna fall off of the garage. Peel off upwards. So we take the film and we bring it to the glass board. Grab ourselves a ruler and we're gonna cut it above a white line, slightly above the white line, and round these edges up. So nice, like this. Bottom we just cut off in a triangular motion, like little triangles. You can see, boom, boom, gone. What we need to do is we need to go and shrink the film. But it's good to throw in some fingers. Grab yourself a heat gun. I'll squeegee out some water. Alright. We shrank the bottom of the film, so we're gonna leave it here hanging as we cleaned up the window. Now let's spray it down. Boom, boom. Boom. The more you clean, the better it is. Then you have to play less with this type of squeegee to remove the bubbles. And not all the films allow you to remove the bubbles basically. Now what we do is we start cleaning anything that can drip on our film. So all the edges. Clean all the edges because we don't know what we're gonna touch when we're applying. Yeah, gonna grab ourselves the film, spray it down for no static, remove all the little dirt, and as we're doing two-stage, have to lower it down like this, spray it down, take the film, and take it backwards. Oop. See, these things happen. So get to that point. What we're gonna do is, it's on a crease on me, but we can remove the creases actually, so it's not a big deal. Now we're gonna slide it inwards, let it hang like that. Position. Some of you like to leave a very thin line at the top, which is not the best thing to do. It is, you can make it always, so you can use like a file and file it off and just make it like, people pretend that it's like magic, it's nothing special. The reason why you leave the gap is because if it's opening and closing, it can peel off if it's on the very edge, even if you're filing the thing, right? So what I need to check is if film covers the edge. It does cover the edge. Now, I'm just gonna squeeze out the top edge to the left. Boom, boom. Squeeze the water out as much as we can. I'm gonna lift the window up. I'm gonna peel off the liner. So there you go. You have it. It's annoying to play around with two-stage. I don't often install two-stage, but recently people are interested in watching these type of videos, so we are. So we need a little butter knife, and we're gonna get the film in to the corner. So it's taking time. So it took us time to get it down in place where we have to be, right? And making it this gigantic bubble, which we don't like either. So it is annoying sometimes. Well, anyway, spray it down. We're gonna squeegee. Wee. There, we're gonna show this. Have the film wet. Get that air pockets out. With fingers you can push them out. Move it around. Okay. There we have it. Push it a little bit down, down, down. Spin a little bit more. There you go. The air pockets out, air pockets out. Boom. To the side, to the side. Then could push it even further to the side. So this is the two-stage, which is on this car. I don't like it. And you see, even if I want to push my squeegee in, it's not letting me. It's almost like I have to use this butter knife in for me to finish off this edge. It's really annoying. This is what you're gonna get from time to time. You will get these type of windows, and you have to deal with it. So every car is different, guys. And for some of you, if you do many of these, let's say Range Rovers, you'll be used to it already. But we don't do anymore because they're pretty old already, like, you know. So, bam, get it down, bottom. There you go, nice and smooth. Clean off the excess water. Clean it from inside. That's pretty good. Well, there you have it. That's how you tint two-stage. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I see you in more videos like that.